In this short video, we're going to just look at how to crop an image using rule of thirds. When you open Photoshop, yours will look a little different. It will say create, new, or open. So you would click on the open button and then open your file. I'm going to double click on this gray space and just open an image that I downloaded. This is the image that I have opened in Photoshop. I am now going to crop it. The crop tool is kind of a unanimous sort of icon. So here's your crop tool, and you'll see if I hover over it, it'll say crop tool. So I'm going to click on crop, and then I'm going to choose ratio here if that's not already chosen. And up at the top here you have these different overlays. Rule of thirds is here at the top. So when I go ahead and click on this to crop from a corner, it will allow me to set it up with the grid. If I feel that this is a nice cropping, that it's hitting there on that rule of thirds scale, intersecting here, I will double click or hit return, and voila, we are done.